Bienvenue! Welcome back to the channel. You are watching Nova STEM Plus, and today we are going beyond the basics. We're diving deep into the art of French greetings. French isn't just about words, it's about the vibe and the timing. If you've ever wanted to walk into a Parisian cafe and sound like you actually belong there, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. The heavy hitters. These are the foundation of every single interaction in France. Bonjour. This is more than just hello, it is a mark of respect. In France, you say bonjour to everyone. The baker, the bus driver, and the teacher. It covers you from the moment you wake up until the sun starts to set. Salut. This is the ultimate cool greeting. It's informal, friendly, and incredibly versatile because it means both hi and bye. Just a heads up, keep this one for your friends and peers. Bienvenue, meaning welcome. Whether you're welcoming a friend to your home or a new subscriber to this channel, Bienvenue sets a warm, inviting tone immediately. Section 2. The social etiquette. Once you've said hello, you need to keep the momentum going. Comment ça va? This is the standard, how's it going? It's casual and widely used. If you want to be a bit more formal, try Comment allez-vous? This shows an extra level of polish and respect. The response? Keep it smooth. Ça va bien, merci. I'm doing well, thanks. Pro tip. In French culture, always follow up your answer by asking them back. A simple et vous, meaning and you, makes you sound like a pro. Section 3. The timing masterclass. The French are very specific about the clock. Don't be the person saying bonjour at 9 p.m. When the evening air hits, switch to bonsoir. It's elegant and signals that the workday is over. When the night is truly ending and you're heading to sleep, use bonne nuit. And if you're leaving a shop or a meeting during the day, don't just say goodbye. Wish them a bonne journée. It means have a nice day, and it's the hallmark of a polite speaker. Section 4. The politeness suite. Manners are the secret sauce of the French language. Excusez-moi. This is your best friend in a crowded city. Use it to pass someone on the street or to politely interrupt a conversation. And of course, we have the gratitude loop. When someone says merci, don't just nod. Respond with de rien. It literally translates to it's nothing, but it functions as a perfect you're welcome. Section 5. Leaving with style. How you end a conversation matters just as much as how you start it. Au revoir is your reliable, formal goodbye. But if you know you'll see them again, try these. À demain. See you tomorrow. À plus tard. See you later. Or my favorite, à bientôt. See you soon. It implies that the connection isn't over yet. And that is your complete French greeting toolkit. Practice these out loud. Don't be afraid of the accent. The more you say them, the more natural they feel. Drop a salut or a bonne journée in the comments below to show off what you've learned. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. This has been Nova STEM Plus. Thanks for watching, and as always, au revoir.